Nka me fa Bible na me preach John 3:16. Me say judge bi na on na wife ayi problem. Na nka judge ni kodwuma wotu wa fa na chi say won na wife kodu nkomba aba wa wale sem. Kwasia Jimmy boy.
Me don't feel me more about the too much GHS. Aya Patapaa and then the wife, our and someone and saying, Adia to see what Abel Fontaine time so a be a casse, a yadia o my giant, a business with Yaye, Patapaa and Papa Crabecassa, and say a yadia already, one Yaye, na omunina omotin, and so just a distance and a aba omu in a name. I'm a no casse, Aya Patapani, boo for ye pa, Abba King can send be at the atre a Zion Felix, Nina a say or say or Tigana Hannah one. Ote omawa jai seven went me and friend and then the home come a mass wardroom pa mamma ye or no interview then so what me for plane aqua piemu our Germany name ye aqua ye interview dia nani and some of bana pocket can eddy action on and no so ne waka eddy action no they bet me am on my warrior no egg. Now I ran in Subu and I saw banner ye be besissa a free sad time no conwa, nani a Zion Felix. Say no or sign a dear bustle, a dear or Zion Felix, airport court. Now we see no is answer our some dear, a new concept with dear China or bell blogging. I didn't know warren wa mammy chat. Then so it is our reno elbuna water tenny with me up for your interview dear. No he answer or didn't you at the Amano. Now you put here a year Patapaa and no some no embra.
Nka me fa Bible na me preach John 3:16. Me say judge bi na on na wife ayi problem. Na nka judge ni kodwuma wotu wa fa na chi say won na wife kodu nkomba aba wa wale sem. Kwasia Jimmy boy. Hi, what are you saying? So we so mineti no wa kono wife akọ any interview wo frɛ me. Wo ni mpemfo wo frɛ me ama fa call because I wale sem e court sem. Fucking guy got ya me friend Patapaa asem yo ka chem na ka Jimmy di na wo Jimmy na wo kona wetu afem manager wan afem na wo ko so wo ko ye ho kwase ane we no na ka afem Captain Smart mu nia wo ye bloggers wo say captain wa ko bi no wife wo na kwa kodi nkombo ma problem abam we ko siesie dabi onim law into captain o ya ade a wo ye blogger for maintain mine say na mine boko top baby a road na de one ye Jimmy stupid guy fucking boy Kwasia Patapaa me friend asem yo keka na ka Jimmy na okojimi no me friend say ye ja wo so wudi won funu po me ya ifru amba ho say obo blog atum but what say ye ja ne de waste mechi me ya ifru ba ho ayefru no ba bi wan ba bi but what say Patapaa we ja me wo Ghana we tuma friend say Patapaa say na mate dabi homonizer waste mechi me asem bi again me ko ade bi obe bi o wo na why mo ye den o kasa asem no wo
Miss so Emma Aquaba Ebiemo, a director Ben Bruce Womiche was Steve Yohanan say, Ya Baba BD and who M. Como. Memo Aquaba. If you have a good dear.
What dear Derama? Engineer.
What's your Patapaa and someone walk or point?
Michel is you see, our some day, yeah, say, when you are crying now, or some old kind so careful because when you die on my warrior, so I'm going to go. See, as much as you know, your blog, your news, in same way, very sensitive.
Okay. To
send your Patapaa a kind of, at least, or know your crew money. The way or no not our ass, and yes, I know, because our ass. It's even cultural wise, no cry, no Zion so call ya one year, because at least, as so to me, no crew in their casa. Now, who send you, not on the crime permission, so maybe a call. Now, so in the casa, but. So call ye maybe I or no so new information cry or the call ye the way I could be some no the way I can and not cry bit me ma bruni ne cry na hwe cry asesa it's send ya Patapaa e cano oh so dika BBC they need to blame the guy.
So I compare say two couples Patapaa you be or the media lights no emu and a lot of people are following him they are following him because of the music about hit one corner any idea no. Na se ole ni yiri anya issue na se o pese o bisa ensam na ho nkomo one ni yiri di nkomo a is it necessary say you ask permission from the husband before
who say me patch say esunu say news be about out what they say about out but sometimes cry no news ni cry about out you see to every side of the story there are always 2 points There's the first point and the second point. But underneath, you don't know. And to maybe for say being human as you are, you could have reached out to Patapaa. So, Minia, Mati say now at the end okay, you know one yet very cool with the idea. Then you can proceed and go and ask. But some will call Obroni nature makers and say, abroad the way they see marriage is different from how we see it.
Yeah.
Our culture quite different. It's why we here, Uko Kobisa and Sam Cra, why we are not a summer if you know the point say. What I said, no, the Bemma, I did more Obeka so may call my position, but you know what damaging the ground. So it's always good to say, at least, man, no, yet the head of the family, and say, I will sort out even his views on it before, proceeding to wherever you want to go.
But my question is, even though, says, I only man like Kasakra, now we hear the side of the story of the woman. You still need permission from the husband before you talk to.
It depends. It depends. If me man akasana before somebody try and draw, me kasa me kohuna ebia on kawe. So it depends on what the person said.
Okay.
But when you me sure so ni Patapaa kasa ya sana onko when and no na me finding a bit of a problem. Yeah.
Okay. Aya Patapaa etwemu a osi obesiu eye Zion Felix. This issue say or the same way equator will it affect Zion Felix?
It depends on asem ko or de ko.
Okay.
Say asem no ye bibi akato me so dia, then I have a point. Defamation will set in. It depends on asem ko a watia anani and you na catch na de court. Because asem me or me ma permission na ultimate especially say who attribute assembly to me say according to the Bruce. Then yes, I can take you on. It depends on a some core or the court on. Yeah.
You have Patapaa sending the near Abra Ayawalijaya Samne Ebana Yebisano. No. Now he wasn't willing to talk. But after said, Zion called Germany Eba, why yes so angry, pissed off to the extent that on Tiasie, on telling one say, SSI issue no about him or make a comment be said, our reason. And your bloggers na edi. And our reason, and your social media na edi. Or the social encounter, or by no social media. And no journalist, and I say no, you be any right. I said, or diving into a year of our reason. What is it?
Who said,
or right?
Of course. Who said, the Biana make us a fence, Zandu said,
Zandi Camel.
Yeah, not something by no. Cassana, it's a well, I know. Kassan or bad status or Kassan. And the go yeah, brother Sammy, they know they need better. I say totally wrong.
Yeah.
You see, a warrior, there should be some privacy in it. If you have a problem, you be required to share. It's a some maybe I see a camera. Maybe I believe you see you. Now beginning now the for social media, they are more. Because as some no, I find them for better things. Obronity Avenia. And no be that Patapaa I be a minimum aspect of TIA. Sometimes on social media it doesn't really help marriage. As much as possible, maybe they may say, Obia, whether you are a celebrity or not, keep your social life out of the media, especially your wife, your husband, or your children should be kept out of the social media. Oh yes, you save your marriage. Okay. Your marriage to a in a book because in comfort they won't make canon. But almost to be hiding on marriage, especially on spouse from the social media, they are still, going on. So I think some people how to, divert. But send your canon, social media and your platform, this is our.
Sign can be said a idea. Zion Felix interview no grammar who says any question Nigeria, could try this small comedy skitty. It's an on your way. When him say Obano with Germany. Onim say wa kwasha Nigeria crying Nigeria for a try this funny comedies nibi. So Zion is really trying to destroy their marriage. Yeah,
you see, there's something we call trust.
Okay.
Say when the way you are now kunu wo honam na obi fufro ti bibia wonima eya. It means first of all, your husband or your wife doesn't even respect you. Because as husband and wife, you are supposed to know everything about each other. Especially say ye too kwani me se me Kumase na betina me Sunyani a send bad signal say hey e dey na me Kumase a meant me an control It is on him. Anytime I said Zion shouldn't have done that interview because the Siano assembly okay. Beman anymore. Say who quiet naba. It's a person assembly. It means you have constant. It's that make us sometimes in our eagerness to bring our news we should always also be mindful of the fact that we are in a social world. What they are saying, and you want it to become news. Debbie.
And see, this in a photo when I demand for.
You see, Debbie, because don't live your life on social media. There are things that are not necessary for you to post on social media, especially when you ain't necessary. We're a celebrity, a one nice celebrity. Sometimes people are even envious of what you have achieved in life. My main can be being sure. So who live your life on social media, you end your life on social media. And where to your ways is enough.
Me that's in a inshallah. Also, I join channel there for your comment section as share. There were all the social media platforms, so media any empress and remember you can keep you back up. You ever see a share my crowd.